Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss another project related to full stack development and its deployment. A client came to me on Fiverr. He has it's his basic a chatbot. He wants to deploy it on Vercel. Then our conversation started. I had review his basic code. Then I suggest him some things modification needs to modify in the code in the front end, the back end board. Then after fixing all these issues, we have to deploy our app on Vercel and attach it with your domain. We will discuss all these details in this video. Now let's move on to the chat screen. Here you can see that he came to me on Fiverr with these messages. He said, I have my basic app that I have already deployed on Vercel, but he was having 404 error. He also shared me with his GitHub code repositories. Then he want me to assist him to fix all these issues, and after fixing these issues we have to deploy our app on the Vercel. Then he can easily access them. These are the problem he was facing. Then as usual I have said him that no problem. First of all, thanks for reaching out me. No problem, I will help you. He said, amazing, thank you, I will share our job. Then I asked him to give me access to your private repositories or give me your GitHub login credential. Then he sent me his login credentials. After that I have to review his code. Then I came to know that it's not getting only 404 error. We have many other things need to be fixed first. After that we have to deploy it on the Vercel. It takes me almost 10 to 15 minutes to review his entire code. We were having only the HTML file and the JS file, nothing else in his repository. Then I have to check each and everything in the code. He said that, as I have already mentioned, that the issue with the code regards to how the deployment assistant is working, and he was asking me about again and again the budget for this project. I have said that let me review the code each and every details carefully, then I will help you to fix all these issues. Then I came to know that we have different issues regarding to API pooling limits, missing headers and incorrect thread ID flow. Let me explain his project first, then we will move again in the project discussion. Basically he had his AI chatbot where we have to chat with the chatbot and ask anything, and at the back end the chatbot is using the chat GPT API key. In this project we have many issues that the code is not completed, the front end design was not good, only the client has only the HTML file without any styling and the JS file without any backend complete setup. For that we have to fix all these issues. We have to preserve conversation history, ensure the usage of API uses the same thread, and fix message retrieval. For example, anything in the beginning after asking first question, when we ask another question related to first, the chatbot do not remember our history, and moreover when we refresh the page, everything removed from the page. These are the issues that we have to fix in the backend. We have to make secure backend with the proper Node.js setup. After that we have to fix these issues, then we have to deploy our app on the Vercel. But I have already said that we have to make our front end modern and responsive, not the basic UI. Then he asked me about the budget, then I have shared the details, then which things I have to fix and how much I will charge from him for this complete setup. Then I had share my budget, he accepted it, then we start our projects. Here you can see the project starts after the code I get from here. Here you can see that this is the previous code that we are using, index HTML file and index in the API folder we have in the index.js. But the code is written here requires the complete Node.js setup. They are not serverless functions. In this order discussion, I have asked, said him that I have deployed the backend and I have to attach it with the front end. When I delivered the order, after that I have to fix. After that, he reviewed the chatbot and asked me some modifications, and he asked me that chatbot is not working. Then time the API does not give us response. He reviewed the chatbot again and again, and he performed different testing responses. This is a chatbot. He We have developed a basic chatbot. After reviewing each and everything and performed different testing, he accepted the delivery and he gave me honest feedback. He said that Mustafa did a great job with his delivery. He understood how to resolve my issue, and when a new problem pop ups, he explained what was going on. Means at the end that it means that he likes my work, and as I have fixed his problem, what type of problem he was having before, I have fixed all his problems and make the app more secure and production ready. Along that, this review he gave me a tip. He was very happy with me. Also, after this project, we worked another project that I will share in the next video. In this video, you have learned that the main focus is that we have to understand the client's problem, what type of problem the client is facing, and how we fix his problem. This is the main lesson related to this project and all types of other projects. When we fix and or when we solve client's problem, they will be happy with us and they will start working with us for the future as we have developed a trust with them. This is the story for this project. This is how I have completed this project with the 5-star review, and the client was very happy with me, as I have also guided him on each and every stage that how to fix this problem, what type of problem we are facing, and how to fix it, each and everything. This is the main point, that we have to guide the client with our processes, and we have to get updated our client with all the steps that we are doing. In this way, they are satisfied with our work and they think that they are in the safe, their project is in safe hands and they are not wasting their money on the freelancer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video and I hope you have learned something new in this video. I will share another project that I have completed with this client